In today's fast-paced academic environment, the quality and reliability of published research are more crucial than ever. Universities and scholars rely on publications to fuel innovation, expand knowledge, and shape future studies. However, with the influx of studies, ensuring the credibility and rigor of research has become an ongoing challenge. One vital method of maintaining this quality is through the peer review process. But how does statistical analysis fit into the picture? Let's take a closer look at how statistical analysis services and peer review services work together to uphold the standards of academic publishing. What is peer review and why does it matter? Peer review is the process where experts in the same field as the research evaluate a study's methods, findings, and implications before publication. This process serves as a quality check, helping to filter out flawed studies and highlight valuable ones. A peer review allows other experts to scrutinize the work to ensure it meets high standards. Without it, we'd have a much harder time distinguishing between well-conducted studies and those with methodological issues. How does statistical analysis impact peer review? Statistical analysis isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about interpreting data accurately and ensuring the results presented hold up under scrutiny. Statistical analysis services are essential in making sense of complex data, validating findings, and providing a structured way to understand outcomes. During peer review, statistical analysis plays a crucial role in determining whether the study's conclusions are supported by its data. Peer reviewers often assess the statistical methods used to verify if they are appropriate and if the results are presented with accuracy. Key components of statistical analysis in academic research. Statistical analysis encompasses various methods and approaches that give structure to research data. Here are some essential elements that play a role in enhancing peer review quality. 1. Sample size determination. Statistical analysis helps determine if the sample size in a study is adequate for drawing conclusions. 1. A small sample size can result in unreliable findings, whereas a larger, well-defined sample can add weight to the study. 2. Hypothesis testing. Testing hypotheses is fundamental to scientific research. 2. Statistical analysis services support hypothesis testing by evaluating whether the data supports or rejects the hypothesis with high confidence. 3. P-values and confidence intervals. Peer reviewers often rely on p-values and confidence intervals to assess the reliability of research findings. 3. These metrics help determine if the results are statistically significant, giving the study more credibility. The role of statistical analysis services in peer review effectiveness. Professional statistical analysis services play an essential role in guiding researchers through complex data interpretation. These services assist researchers in ensuring that their data analysis is thorough, which ultimately benefits the peer review process. Here's how they contribute to the overall quality. 1. Enhanced validity of findings. Statistical analysis services provide a clear, structured examination of data, helping authors avoid errors that could mislead readers or reviewers. 2. Increased credibility. By verifying that data is analyzed accurately, these services strengthen the credibility of the study. 2. Peer reviewers appreciate studies with well-conducted statistical analysis because it shows a commitment to rigorous research practices. 3. Greater efficiency in review. High-quality statistical analysis allows peer reviewers to focus on the substance of the research, rather than spending extra time deciphering flawed data analysis. 3. This efficiency contributes to a more streamlined review process. Peer review services and their importance in academic publishing. While statistical analysis services focus on the data side of things, peer review services ensure the overall quality and integrity of academic publications. Peer review services bring in experts to evaluate not only the statistical aspects but also the study's methodology, ethical considerations, and writing quality. Benefits of peer review services. 1. Objectivity. peer review services provide an unbiased evaluation by involving independent experts who have no stake in the study. 2. Reputation management. For journals, peer review services help maintain high standards. 2. The more rigorous the review process, the more reputable the publication. 3. Constructive feedback. Authors receive valuable insights that can strengthen their work, making it more reliable and comprehensive. Statistical analysis versus peer review. How do they complement each other? In academic publishing, statistical analysis and peer review serve as two sides of the same coin. Both processes work in tandem to uphold the quality of research publications. While statistical analysis provides concrete support for the study's findings, peer review ensures that the study meets broader standards for publication. It's somewhat like the difference between an autobiography and a biography. Just as an autobiography tells a story from the author's perspective, focusing on their own experiences, a biography offers a broader view, providing insights from multiple perspectives. Similarly, statistical analysis is specific to data and results, while peer review evaluates the entire study in a more holistic way. Challenges and limitations of statistical analysis in peer review. While statistical analysis is essential, it's not without its limitations. 1. Complexity. Some studies involve highly complex statistical methods that can be challenging for reviewers to evaluate. 2. Risk of overinterpretation. Statistical analysis must be performed with caution. 2. Overly optimistic interpretations of data can mislead readers, even if the numbers seem correct on the surface. 3. Access to expertise. Not all reviewers are equipped with specialized statistical knowledge, which can lead to inconsistencies in the review process. Steps for improving peer review with statistical analysis. To maximize the value of statistical analysis in peer review, consider these steps. 1. Training for reviewers. Equip reviewers with basic training in statistical methods to help them evaluate research more effectively. 2. Collaboration with statisticians. Encourage peer review panels to include statisticians who can provide insights into the data analysis. 3. Transparent reporting. Researchers should provide detailed statistical methods and raw data where possible, allowing reviewers to assess the integrity of the findings thoroughly. Conclusion. In the world of academic publishing, the effectiveness of peer review services depends heavily on robust and accurate statistical analysis services. Together, they ensure that research not only adds value to the field but also upholds the standards of credibility and rigor. Just as a biography relies on multiple viewpoints to provide a comprehensive story, peer review relies on accurate data interpretation through statistical analysis to provide a complete picture of research quality. By leveraging these services, journals can improve the reliability of their publications and maintain trust with readers and researchers alike.